Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will learn different tasks in the Azure cloud. Today, we shall discuss the Laravel deployment on Ubuntu 22.04. In order to take help in Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web CI/CD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All the video on DevOps King channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. In this lecture 1, deployment of Laravel on Ubuntu 22.04 with MySQL. First of all, we shall, after the creation of the Ubuntu 22.04, perform the following commands. In command 1, first of all, we shall apply the sudo apt update -y. This command will update server packages. In command 2, we shall install the Apache server because we shall deploy the Laravel on Apache server. Sudo apt install Apache 2 -y. In the command 3, we shall start the Apache server. In command 4, we shall enable the Apache server, and in the 5th command we shall check the status of the Apache server. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. In the command 6, we shall apply the different software properties, and in the command 7 we shall add the repository required for the PHP. In command 8, we shall again update the packages, and in command 9 we shall install the PHP 8.1. This command will install PHP 8.1. After that, we shall check the version of the PHP. Now we shall configure the app.config. Go to the path etc apache 2 sites.available and create the file Apache 2 for the configuration of the Laravel. So this is the app.config. This is the server admin server name, and after that, this is the most important thing in the Laravel deployment. We shall give the path of the public folder in the Laravel. Now update Laravel application code at the location Laravel var www.html Laravel. Public folder is most important, and after that we shall update the environment file. In the environment file, we shall update the connection string for the MySQL. When we open the environment file, we shall update the MySQL connection string. After this command is very important. We shall link the website because app.config is a configuration file. We shall enable it in the site enabled path. After that, we shall install the write module by this command sudo add to enmod rewrite. This is necessary for the Laravel. And after that, we shall restart the Apache 2. After the deployment of the Apache 2, we need to configure the writes for the storage folder. So apply the command sudo chmod -r 777 storage. And on the last one, write the URL in the browser as you written in app.config like facebook.com. You will find the Laravel application. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by DevOps King channel. Wish you good luck for your career.